stinks, don't it?
It does. Same height. Not same height. Okay, you need another one. See the computer build one time, the guy had different standoffs. And he had the board tweaked. That's too short.
And my standoffs are tall.
Yeah, I got tall ones as well. Good to look for them. It'll be in this other box of parts. These are wrong. Not that one. Wow, I made standoffs that won't do these. Isn't that amazing? If I make these standoff screws, needle those out. That's what I've been doing, is needle those.
We got THX sound, huh?
You pop them into the aircraft folder and check them all. Make sure I didn't forget anything in the panels. That I don't want to make any more changes once I back them up. Just want to apply them. You're going to really be impressed with the sounds of that D6 and the way it starts and everything. It's so awesome. It says extreme memory, 1600.
It's down here as fan CPU, or
It's over here. Three pins, 4 pins. Yeah, there it is, right there. Pins.
where? Well, it's dark in there. Not showing up on here.